In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Hetzner VPS and deploy Clawdbot with Node.js. We'll start by creating the server. Head over to hetzner.com/cloud and create a new account. Follow the on-screen verification steps and add a payment method so you can provision resources. Once your account is ready, click to create a new server. For location, any region is fine. Pick the one closest to you for better latency. For the image, choose Ubuntu 22.04, which is stable and well supported. For the type, select CX11, the most affordable option that's perfect for lightweight projects and testing. For SSH keys, we'll skip that and use a password for now. Confirm your choices and click Create. Hetzner will provision your VPS in a minute or two. Make sure you note your server's IP address and the root password provided. Keep them somewhere safe, as you'll need them shortly. Next, let's connect to the VPS from Windows using PuTTY. If you don't have it, download and install PuTTY from the official website. Open PuTTY, and in the host name field, enter root at your server/IP, replacing the placeholder with your server's actual IP. Click Open. The first time you connect, you may see a security prompt about the server's key. Accept it to proceed. When prompted, enter the root password you received earlier. If the password is correct, you're in. Your terminal is now connected to the server. Before installing anything, update the server so you have the latest packages and security patches. In the terminal, run apt update and an apt upgrade.y. This may take a few minutes, and it's normal to see a series of downloads and upgrades. Now install the required software. First, run apt install.y curl git. These tools will help you fetch scripts and clone repositories. Next, we'll install the Node.js LTS release, which is the stable version recommended for most users. Run the node source setup script with curl fssl https debi.nodesource.com setup ltsx bash. When that finishes, install Node.js with api install.y node.js. Verify the installation by checking the versions node, ROSV, and npm v. Seeing valid version numbers confirms everything is set correctly. Finally, let's upload or install CloudBot. The recommended method is using git. In your terminal, run git clone your CloudBot repo link. Replace the placeholder with your repository's URL. Once the clone completes, move into the project directory with cd CloudBot. At this point, your server is prepared, your tools are installed, and your CloudBot code is on the machine, ready for the next steps in your deployment workflow.